Chankwila you window, Jugintel Sino Afro. Hey my people, it's a boy Tree back again. You're most welcome to today's dance tutorials. I'm gonna teach you some tutorial of today's dance fitness, and I hope you're gonna like it. Please follow. So, our first step is very easy. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna touch our eyes, like we're gonna close them with our hands, like 1, 2, then we remain there for 1 second. Then after, we're gonna drop down, and when you're down, you're gonna come up real slow until you reach up. Then the next move is gonna be just hand waves, like tick tick tick. It's called ticking, yeah. So it's just like 1 and 2 and 3, back down. Again on the left, 1 and 2 and 3, back down. Then we're gonna take both hands on a slow-mo. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down. And after here, we're gonna dip down, 1 and 2, then 3, you point, 4, you touch your chest, 4, then you're gonna come out, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Hope you got it, yeah? So after, when you come back here, now we're just gonna go to our chorus part. Yes, and our chorus is just, you're gonna make some little jump and make your right cross to the left, like tap tap. Good. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1. Then you're gonna use your hand with your thumbs up, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Let's try that chorus. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes? So when you're done here, you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then the continuation of the chorus, you're gonna bring out your right leg and open your hands, like 1, then 2, and 3, and 4. Again, you do it this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you just keep quiet. So when you're done, keep it quiet. We're gonna go to the next movement, and our next movement is step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you're gonna hit our chest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we'll switch to the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ta 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 ta. Yes, you put that wave in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes, so when you're done here, you're gonna pull 1, 2, tap. Here, tap twice. Then 3, tap. You tap once. Again, you go tap, boom, boom, go, boom. Again, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so when we're done here, again, we're going to go back to the top, dip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, so when you come back 7 and 8, you're gonna go back to the chorus and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, tap, tap, tap. 3, 4, tap, tap, tap. 5, 6, tap, tap, tap. 7, 8, tap, tap, tap. Yes, my people. So when you're done here, now we're just gonna again pull it to the silent mode, like shh. Yeah. After pulling here, you're gonna wait for some time. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now taking it fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So when you're done here, now we're gonna go do some little bit of freestyle. You do your favorite, yeah? Do your favorite freestyle that you like the most. So after here, again, we'll go back to the semi-chorus, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and boom. Then you freestyle, and you just say, yep. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been your boy Trey. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of our dance tutorials. I guess you like it, and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, to hit the notification bell so that you could be notified about our videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys. God bless you. See you next time.